Hello everyone. Today we are again going to discuss some word and the first word is sileji. The given English meaning is sordid or corrupt which is used for the person and the Hindi meaning ghinauna vyakti. The given sentence is her mischievous behavior proved that she is sileji. Now the next word is ferak with English meaning a shy nature person and the Hindi meaning लज्जित व्यक्ति. The given sentence how ferak your nature towards your parents. This word is mostly asked in different type of examination. Now the next word is superstition with English meaning false rumor and in Hindi meaning अंधविश्वास या फिर अफवाह भी बोल सकते हैं. The given sentence the superstition has misguided several people in different direction and in this era superstition has become most common. Now the next word is Sunil Guaisto with English meaning a deceitful person. That means a person who can't be trusted. And the Hindi meaning धोखेबाज या फिर जिस पर विश्वास नहीं किया जा सके. The given sentence is an algosto must be avoided from your friend company. Now the next word is imprudent. The given English meaning careless about the consequences of action and the Hindi meaning दुष्परिणाम के प्रति लापरवाह रहने वाला व्यक्ति. The given sentence is that several students in the classroom become imprudent after the result. Now the next word is audacious. The given English meaning daring or adventurous and the Hindi meaning साहसी या फिर बोल सकते हैं निर्भीक. The given sentence is that Indian defense shows their audacious in critical situation. The given sentence is very much true for Indian Army. Now the next word is dogler, whose English meaning a piece of written format in irrelevant way and the Hindi meaning बिना तुक और लय वाला वाक्य. The given sentence is that there are several poems which are doggerel. Now the next word is nefarious. Nefarious, whose English meaning is given you dishonest or untrustworthy. हिंदी मीनिंग कुटिल या बेमान व्यक्ति. द गिवन सेंटेंस अ nefarious coaxed all the money from the poor and made them assured of the honesty. This phenomena has become very common. Thank you very much.